It's critical that the cabin air filter always operates within the manufacturer's guidelines, and as such, there is a need to replace the filter according to the recommended service schedule, which is typically at least once a year or every 15,000 kilometres. The cabin air filter has been developed to improve air quality by reducing contaminants and airborne odours from reaching the passengers. They also help protect sensors and other components of complex climate control systems. In the Ryco product range, there are 3 types of cabin air filter: particle, activated carbon, and Ryco MicroShield. The Ryco MicroShield filter provides the ultimate in vehicle interior air filtration. In addition to all the existing benefits of particle and activated carbon filters, Ryco MicroShield is capable of trapping pollutants that can be 40 times smaller than the width of a human hair. That's around 2.5 microns in size. Keep following the Ryco Filters Training Academy and develop your knowledge with the market leaders in filtration.